This video will be going over the door configurator. To add a door into the framed opening, click on the door icon or press D on your keyboard. Hover to the bar that you wish the hinges to be attached to. You'll get a preview of a door and simply click it in. Press S or the select button to exit the door tool. To modify the door, right-click on the door and select Door Settings. In this window, you can adjust the panel material, profile material, the hinges, this hinge, I typically like to use the piano style, number of hinges, and distance from the edge, latches, number of latches and distance as well, placement of the latch, and which side, and handles. Modify top and bottom gap as well as the handle side gap. The hinge gap depends on the hinge you have selected. Click apply and you'll see I now have a piano style hinge and new handle. You can click on parts and move them and delete parts out if you wish. To change this into a double door, right-click and select Door Settings. Click on the double door option. By default, it'll split it equally in half, or you can play with the dimensions to get the door sizes you wish. Click OK. You now have two double doors. Add a cross member for extra bracing. To change this door into an unframed panel door, right-click on the panel and select Door Settings. Uncheck the box labeled Framed, and this will remove the extrusion selection. I'm going to adjust the hinges to some adjustable tension panel hinges. I'm going to take off the latch, so I'm going to change the quantity to 0. You can keep this checked on if you wish, and change the handle. Add a door in an opening that is not fully framed. Click on the door feature. And you'll see a dark blue line appear on a T-slot. If you hover over, click and drag. Click, and we'll insert door. You can change the sweep of your door by clicking on it. Right-click and stretch, or the T shortcut on the keyboard, and hit spacebar till your arrows are up and down. This is since I want a 6-inch sweep, so I will type -6, enter.